When React sees that a component is changed, it destroys the state of that component, but also the state of all of the components within that subtree. Consider the following example where we have a counter, we have a checkbox, and when we increment this counter and then toggle the checkbox, we see that state is preserved because the JSX we are returning has a counter component in the same position as the previous render. However, consider how this behavior changes when we wrap our first counter in a div and our second counter in a section. Now we see that when we increment the counter and toggle the checkbox, state is destroyed each time. And this is because now we are actually changing the UI tree. Depending on the value of red, we either have a div and another div in its second child, or we have a div and a section in its second child. And when React changes its UI tree from div to section and section to div, it destroys the state not only of the section and div components, but also of all of its children components.